So what's up, guys? Right now I am in Zamboanga city. Zamboanga, it is a nice city here in the Philippines, in the Mindanao area. It is considered, so some people consider it to be one of the most dangerous places in the Philippines for foreigners. But so far, everything's been all good. I've been treated very well. It's nothing but all smiles at me when people see me, and I really don't have any fear like that. So right now, I'm headed over to the Pink Sand Beach, or the Pink Beach area. I have a friend in this area who has agreed to, show me around a little bit.
Bienvenidos. Welcome to Zamboanga.
And if you don't know, they speak much of the Filipino languages are deeply rooted in Spanish, but down here is almost word for word Spanish, almost. Here is very beautiful here. You do have a very you do have a police presence. See, they had the police right here. Zamboanga, I see you. We're here, man. Zamboanga. Here on the Pink Beach. They said that this is one of the most dangerous parts of the Philippines, but hey, sometimes you gotta go through a little danger to get to some good stuff, So shout out to Zamboanga, and shout out to the Pink Beach right here. It doesn't really look pink right now, but I don't know, maybe later at night, maybe, I don't know. All right. As you see, buen navidos, that's Spanish. Well, we've just been enjoying the beach here. I'm actually glad I didn't get my drone shot down because right behind me we have a military base. But the guys were very friendly. So we're getting ready to say goodbye to Zamboanga Beach shortly, but it's been a wonderful experience so far. Everyone was completely nice and friendly. Even talked to the military, police, and they were friendly, asking about where I was from and all of that. It was cool. We just had a friendly conversation. wish conversations like that in the U.S. could go on between the people and the police. Instead of, I mean, even when I'm walking around the city, I see security and police everywhere. Military, they have the big guns. And then if you're a tourist, they're always going to be watching you because, you know, they want to make sure you're safe and comfortable. So I like it. I like it. Many people say it's a danger zone. But you know what? A lot of times, even in the US, a lot of times you go right in the middle of those danger zones and the people are so nice and friendly. And it's like, where are the bad guys at? What do you like about your city?
Me?
Yeah.
The people and culture.
I'm an expert, but sometimes the drone, when it sees the water, it'll throw off the GPS and it'll want to dive right into the water. Not good.
Risky.
Very risky. So, bad news to report. Doing that drone mission, the drone was lost, temporarily disconnected, and then I think it went back to the home point, which was either here or here. Here or here. But I tried to get a nice shot with the drone, but I took off and then had a cut right here taken off. So the drone is somewhere in the water now, maybe. So I don't even know if I have the footage from it, if it recorded back to the phone, so I don't know. Okay, so even though the drone was lost, I do have 1 to 2 seconds of footage. So I'll probably show that, but it was the riskiest drone mission ever. To try to land a flying drone on a moving boat. It's tough.
Yep.
Drone footage will continue. Just not in Zamboanga. So this is my room in Zamboanga. Right here, nice little quaint room. Nice, I think it's a full size, either queen size bed there. Have my luggage. And now it's time to get to Manila. So check it out here. It's been fun in Zamboanga. I enjoyed it. Zamboanga, I might be back. Zamboanga has been real here in Zamboanga City. As you can see right here. Not too dangerous, not that dangerous. Very nice.
It's welcome, baby.
So I just got to my hotel room here in Manila. Pretty nice room. I stayed here when I first got here, so this may be my new favorite hotel here. And as you can see, you see some of the city out here. Just massive city, man. It just keeps going on and on and on. But as always, I've enjoyed my time here in the Philippines. I'm a little tired from traveling today. Traveling will do that to you. So right now I'm gonna go get something to eat and pretty much just call it a night. But hopefully you have enjoyed this Philippines video. I did lose my drone down in Zamboanga. Had some very nice shots of the boat there. You know, it was some epic shots, but I lost the drone. You know, it is what it is. So until next time, guys, remember to live your life to the fullest and just enjoy. All right, enjoy. Leave me a comment. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next trip or the next video. All right, peace.